tired.
And I bought one for myself. So, this is how the package looks. Right on the top, we have the user manual. There is also a second reference manual included. Next up, we got the main shaft, then the foot pedal, which is also used to control the speed of the motor. Then there is an extra pair of carbon brushes included. This right here is the main motor unit of the tool. These are all the things we got in the package. Now, this is the main handpiece of the Fordome Rotary Carving Tool. The build quality is really solid. It's completely metal. The included key is used to tighten and loosen the chuck. This is the entire motor system. The shaft connects directly to the motor through a flexible spring shaft. And here's the motor close-up. You can clearly see the Fordome logo. This connector here is specially made to work with the included foot pedal. It's a variable speed system with a standard Indian plug. Now let me show you how to connect everything together. I made a simple custom stand to hang the motor because as we know, this type of motors need to be suspended while in use. Next, I align the shaft and the handpiece and lock them together. To fix the base temporarily, I am using double-sided tape. I will upgrade this setup in later. Once everything is connected, we plug the motor into the outlet. The motor spins smoothly and in one direction only. Now let's talk about the bits. These are the diamond burrs with tiny diamond particles on the tips, great for precision works. Then we have the common grinding bits. These are cheap and widely available ones. And finally, my tungsten carbide carving bits. These are on the expensive side but amazing for serious carving. Here's a close-up of how the handpiece spins. It has variable speed and it's powerful, smooth and surprisingly quiet. You can use all sorts of tool heads with this machine, and these are just a few examples. There's a whole world of compatible bits and attachments out there. And here are some real examples where I have already used this tool in my projects. So that's my quick review of the Fordome Rotary Carving Tool. I have just started using it and honestly, I am already in love with the results. If you are in DIY, carving or detailed crafting work, this tool might just become your new favorite. I will be using it in a lot of upcoming projects, so make sure to subscribe and see it in the action. Got any questions or want to see a dedicated project video using this tool? Let me know in the comments. Also, I will add all the Amazon product links in the description very soon, so keep an eye out. Thanks for watching and as always, keep creating.